3, 2, 1.
Good day, everyone. GarageKing here, and welcome to the SnapOn May 2026 sales flyer of the month. We are a little early this month. This is great. I always like to get them out as early as I can, and this month, well, it's out early because we got quite a bit of time left in April. Also, SnapOn has convinced Ryan to help push their product, so we're going to get in there and see what's going on. The other thing is, we do got some good BOGOs again. So what's with SnapOn with the BOGOs lately? Today when I was on the truck, well, I didn't get a BOGO today, but I did get this. And if you want a closer look at these, this is what they look like out of the box. They don't even fall out, so that is really nice. And I just love this foam and, you know, pretty happy with these guys. As you can see here, my quarter drive is all in foam and I absolutely love them. Once we think we have it all, we just realize that we don't. Anyway, let's get to the flyer, everybody. So first page, we have new products. Although they're not on sale, I like to go over the new products just for those that are interested in, well, the new products. So here we have a 14.4 volt 3/8 drive impact wrench. It is $414. That's the price, 250 foot-pounds of torque. The difference between this one is it is sort of like a long nose. So SnapOn's telling you that you can save some torque loss, I guess, because you may not have to use that extension. So if you're trying to use this where, you know, normally you would use extensions, I guess you can buy this tool. Anyway, we'll see if it flies. Over here, we have water pump pliers. That is $113. The difference in these water pump pliers here is they say the jaws are up to 20%, 25% wider than the leading competitor. And 35 teeth provide greater refinement and maximum flexibility. So those are the new water pump pliers. Down here, I thought, what is this, sockets? That can't be new. Sockets have been around forever. But when I took a closer look, it is a 7-piece half-inch drive, increased hex depth. And the reason for the half sizes is when that chrome or decorative sockets, you know how they rust and they can expand and it's tight to get the right size on. I guess with the half sizes, if you either lose the cap or if it's a little bit too big, you can decide and one of these sockets should fit, and then it's drilled down deeper so the socket can go on further. So I did think that was kind of cool. And that would be kind of like these no-name sockets where they're sort of, there you can see how deep they are. So they can really get on deep. And these were just no-name thin wall sockets that actually came with the CC impact gun that I do use and do like. The only thing is with these, you do get the half sizes. So that's pretty cool. Now let's move on. What do we have next? Now this is kind of interesting because I saw a water bottle. So I was thinking, is this for like a runner or something? Like what is happening? But then I read over here, it's an automotive sunroof drain cleaner. So I guess it comes with like a little squirty bottle and you get a push line. Pretty cool if I guess you're cleaning out sunroof drains and I've heard they can plug up and they can cause problems in a car. So anyway, that's kind of neat, and it's not exorbitantly priced at $96.50, so you are just under $100. This would be interesting for the heavy-duty diesel mechanic. It's quarter drive 12 millimeter flex impact socket for glow plugs, and if you're wondering what it works on, 2006 to 2006 Duramax engines using glow plugs with a 12 mil hex. I don't have experience with these engines, so I can't say how hard it is to get the glow plugs out. Maybe someone that works on a Duramax can let me know. All right, let's turn the page, everybody. Let's just turn this page. Hot Tools exclusive #1. So here's a BOGO, but don't get too excited on this BOGO because it's not as good as you think, and let me explain. We're gonna start at the back and then work our way forward. So first, at the back, this is what you're going to get. So it's not a half price. You're just getting the battery, and the battery is worth, yeah, $163. So that's all you're really gonna get when you buy the tool. So it's not like a half price deal. So let's start over here with number A, and that is a half-inch, sorry, not half-inch, that's a 3/8 inch angle drill. By the way, everything is 14.4 volt. The price for that one is $449. If you're wondering, it's got 200 inch-pounds. Let's look at this one next. This is something you think you might find in your dentist's office, but actually it can come in pretty handy. It is a mini drill, and if we slide over to the price there, we can see it is $520, and there is the specs for that. We do have a regular drill, 200 inch-pounds, that is $442. If you're wondering what that one looks like, that is just your traditional 3/8 drill. Slide up here, letter D, and this is a hex toggle screwdriver, 1/4 inch. that one is $442, 200 inch-pounds. And then lastly, well, not lastly, well, I guess yes, lastly, because I already talked about the battery, is 100 foot-pound of torque, and that's quarter drive hex quick change impact driver. $491. That is what it looks like, and it does have 3 lights. I think they call it a tri-light system. No, I was wrong. They call it a tri-beam headlight. So anyway, there's 3 lights to help you out in those dark places. Okay, let's go to the next page. Hot Tools Exclusives 2. So keep your engines cool. First thing, we have a cooling system pressure tester kit that is $459. It achieves the required 35 PSI. Well, I don't know if it's required 35. It's just, you know, you pump it up till you see the leak and you just don't go too far. Anyway, with fewer strokes. I hope it's as well built as my classic one I bought early in my career. You can see it didn't get too much in the way of adapters, but the tool itself is phenomenal and it's still lasted for years. If you can find them on eBay, these are actually a really good deal because super, super well built. If we slide down here, I'm gonna ask some questions in a minute. This is a cooling system vacuum filler. It's regular $381 and it's down to $323. Now, while we're on the topic of cooling system vacuum fillers, what is the difference between this one and these that are on sale for 15% off? We've all seen sort of this type. You can even find them on Amazon, copies, I guess. This one's $476 down from $560. And then this one here, down from $575 to $488. Now, the only difference between these two is this one's a universal design. So you don't need to have a bunch of adapters, where this one snaps right on and you need adapters. But what is the difference between these two and this one? Because that I don't know. So anyway, that was my question. Let's slide down here. We have a 14-piece cooling system adapter kit. It is by Blue Point, regular $775 down to $658. And it says it works with the SVTS 272A, which is right up here. I kind of wonder if it would work with mine. I think it would, because I think everything just snaps to the end there. Anyway, that would come in handy. However, for those of you in a dealership, or if you just work on a lot of the same vehicles all the same time, I would suggest going to SnapOn and just buying the individual pieces that you need, because it's a lot cheaper. But if you're working in a general shop, this may come in handy because you never know what's gonna slide in the door. And then let's slide down here, and we have a leak detector fluid kit. It's Blue Point. It's only $45.90. It is not shown. So, and that's just that bottle of stuff. You can put it in, and you know, you're going to try to find leaks in your cooling system. So when we slide up here, these 2 pieces, I've already spoken about those, so we're not going to talk about those again. But I do think these are really good, although I don't have one, but I've heard really, really good things about how fast they can, you know, fill a system. Anyway, let's slide down here. These aren't shown, so we'll just kind of go through them real quick. Truck coolant refiller. So it's probably similar to these. It's just a little bit more expensive, and it's a much higher volume and capacity. It was $795 down to $675. If you're wondering, there's the part number, and it is made out of, you know, high grade aluminum. Of course, it's going to be, you know, really good quality. And then if we go down here, we have an air powered cooling system pressure tester. Now, that shocked me at first because, you know, air-powered cooling system pressure tester. But then I read further, and it says there is a cap assembly that limits the pressure no more than 30 PSI, because you don't want to just open it a bit too much and then all of a sudden you need head gaskets, right? So it's a good thing it has that limiter. And if you're wondering, for that price, you do get a bunch of adapters. So it does include, it says, the most common adapters that you will find. All right, let's turn the page and see what's next. All right, you'd best strap in. So here we got Ryan promoting some stuff. This is not really on sale. This is kind of like see your dealer, enter, ask how to win, get on the truck, spend some money. That's all this is. If you want, you pause the video, you can take a look. I won't really go over this stuff, although that's kind of cool. Vintage metal cooler. And there you go. You got the foam. You got the foam coming in again. Anyway, let's turn the page, everybody. Let's just turn the page. All right, so drive away the hassle, Hot Tools Exclusives 3. There is some pretty cool stuff here. So first we have an extra long handle driver. It was $115 down to $97 or $98.17. It's just over 2 feet long. And yeah, it would be pretty cool for $100. But what is, I think, better is this thing. And it's a foot length with a 1/2 inch driving end. You put it on your air hammer and you can squeeze your air hammer ever so slightly just to drive in what you have to drive in. And this is, I think this is very, very handy because you don't have to worry about trying to get a hammer in those really tight spots. And it's better than this one because you're not swinging a hammer. You can really line it up straight with your air hammer. Just don't go crazy on it. That's all I'm saying. And now what do we have down here? We have something similar to the top. It's just a little bit shorter. This one's 16.5 inches and it is $70, regular $83. Down here, we have an adapter, $72 down from $85. It's just to provide some additional options when you're trying to get creative to do things. Over here, we have another adapter. This is a right angle adapter, $66 down from $78. And if we slide up here, we get the full kit. And this is a 28-piece heavy duty seal driver kit. Still $1,436, but before the sale, you would be paying almost $1,700. So all of this stuff is roughly 15% off. So that's pretty good. Down here, well, we're only saving 10%. Metric bushing driver set. This one's a pretty, they're pretty big diameter. This one's 40 to 80 millimeter sizes. It is $679 down from $755, and it looks like it's actually brass pieces in there. And then not shown over here, we have another metric one. This is a little bit smaller. This is 10 to 42 millimeters for $472, and it includes 3 drive handles and adapters. I wish it being the flyer would show it, but it doesn't. And then over here we have the standard bushing driver set, regular $515 down to $463. And if you want, you can pause the video. You can see that's what it includes. And that is, of course, what it looks like. All right. Hot Tools exclusives for this is some BOGO. So this is some real BOGOs. I know someone had made a comment a few months ago saying, geez, I wish SnapOn would do the 1/2 inch BOGOs. Well, they just did. These are 1/2 inch drive. Now, what's really cool about these ones is they're actually giving you the more expensive set for free, which is really cool. So here you have, let's just get some focus here. You have a 13-piece 1/2 inch drive, 6-point metric flank drive deeps, okay? That's $775, and that's 12 to 24 millimeter sockets in a storage tray. So that's a pretty big set. That's $775, and then you're going to get the same set, 12 to 24 pieces, that's worth $975. Now, the reason it's $200 more, these are the flank drive extra. So they're the deep sockets, but these are the flank drive extra. So they're a little bit different than just the regular flank drive. These ones are a little bit tighter. I did buy a 3/8 set and I did find them tighter. One of the bolts, it wouldn't even go on. So they are a little bit different, but they're great for rusty bolts. I don't know if there's something you would use every day. These sockets are gonna fit great, and these ones are the ones that you would use a hammer on, you know, when you're trying to remove bolts. But I just don't know if they're everyday sockets, but they're, anyway, pretty good price. Slide down here, we have another BOGO. So this one is the Shallows, $555. Again, 12 to 24, that's the 1/2 inch drive, regular $555. Well, they're still $555 is what you're gonna pay, and you're going to get what is worth $575 or so, SnapOn says, the 12 to 24 in the flank drive extras. So shallow set, buy, get, deep set, buy, get, the regular flank drive, and you're gonna get the flank drive extras for free. If we slide over here, you can see there's more BOGOs. These are not shown. And if you're wondering, they're just not the metric. These are just the imperial sizes. So it's 3/8 to 1 1/8. If we look at the price, you can see $945 is what you're gonna pay. And you're actually, I don't know, the flank drive extras seem to be worth more. Even here, they're $1,030, and that's the one you're gonna get for free. And then if we pan down here, that is the shallow. So $580 is what you're gonna pay. And then for $620, that's the set you get for free. Again, flank drive extra. These are the shallows in the imperial sizes. So the fractional sizes. Pretty cool. And if we look up here, this says flank drive provides flat contact with fasteners for up to 20% more turning power. 6-point configuration and made from SnapOn special alloy steel. Now everyone's pretty much copying flank drive now, so I don't know. I think SnapOn probably lost their patent, but they are good sockets. They are good sockets. What can I say? Anyway, there's the 1/2-inch BOGO. So we actually got some 1/2-inch BOGO, so that's pretty decent. Very, very happy with that. Let's turn the page. So this is a diagnostic thermal imager, and this could really be used when trying to diagnose your HVAC issues, because you could obviously see what's really cooling and where there's heat transfer. The unfortunate thing is there's no price, so it's going to be a big ticket item, so I won't spend a lot of time on it. On this page here, we got power and precision. So SnapOn selling one of their MIG welders here. Probably, most likely, it's very, very good quality. Me, if we look under there, we can see I have a Lincoln Electric and it works just fine. I don't use it that often. You can see there's some junk around it, but anyway, when I do pull it out, it works just fine. So let's turn the page. And that is it for the flyer of the month. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them below. I love engaging with you guys. A lot of you are more knowledgeable than I am. So actually, I do learn quite a bit from my viewers. I really, really enjoy that. So if you do have questions, please leave them below, or comments. I read them all and I respond to everyone. So I do really appreciate that. Anyway, that is it for this flyer of the month. I am GarageKing, and thank you, everyone. I will see you again.